In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off echo on BandLab. So depending on which echo you had in mind, you can fix this very easily. Now, the first echo you can have in mind is basically the reverb. So if I play this audio here, this is just some sample audio for the video. As you can hear, there's a bit of an echo. You can just click on it, go to the effects tab, and here on the right hand side at the bottom, it's going to say reverb. Make sure you put that to 0. And when you do this, this is basically going to disable the echo. So if I now play it again over here with reverb on 0, this is just some sample audio. There we go. As you can see, the echo is no longer there. However, if you've basically meant the echo of when you are speaking, and if you can hear the echo whenever you speak, what you can do is click on this button, so this recording microphone button here. It's gonna pop this up and make sure this monitoring is off. So if I click on that, as you can see, you can now basically hear my echo. So it's pretty much, I can hear myself when I'm talking, recording, stuff like that. And if I turn this off, now it's back to normal. Okay, so those are the two ways you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.